Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a project on Google Cloud Console. Okay, we are going to start right now. Okay, so we click here. Okay, so from here we are going to select any project we do have here. Okay, I've already selected this project. I can select this one, my project. As you can see here, let's say now view on project, my project. Okay, so when you select your project, you come to the right corner here. Okay, you click where is those three dots are, and then you click project setting. Okay, so from project setting, you need to copy what they call project ID, which is here. Okay, this is my project ID. To delete any project, you might need your project ID itself. Okay, so from here, you click manage resources. Or from here, you can even go shut it down. But the best way to do is to click manage resources. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this project. Let's say I'm gonna delete this project here. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one. I'm going to select it. Okay, you can either click from here to delete it, or you can click where is those three dot R, and then you click delete. From here, you're gonna need to paste your project ID, the one I just show you, and then you say shut it down. Project shut down. Okay, so this is pending. Okay, as you can see, our my project is now it's shut down and scheduled to be deleted after 10th of November. Okay, so it's going to take 1 month before it gets completely removed from Google Cloud. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.